Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to the next session of Python. So last day we have learned about the math, dates we haven't learned, JSON we have learned in the, okay, these all completed. We are going for the dates, okay. So what is date time? Python dates, a date in Python is not a data type of its own, but we can import module date time to work with the dates as date objects. So date time is an object, date time is an module, okay. So how to utilize one module by using the import? Go to the Visual Studio, Visual Studio Code. Here, mm, date, date module. Okay, do F2, rename it .py. Okay, so this is the one. Okay, so by importing date time, we can access the objects methods inside this module. Okay, so if we are printing date time, now we'll get date time Python date module .py. Okay, it is printing the date. Okay. So in our application, wherever we want current date or transaction date, transaction time, created time, modified time, we can use this one object. Okay. So okay. So next, going to the next item. Okay. So this is completed. Output we got date object. So it is telling date time dot now and a string f ftr time percentage a. Okay. So what it will return the year and name of the week, name of weekday. Okay guys, I'm printing, putting it here. I'm running it the application again. Okay, so it printed 2026 and Wednesday. Okay, okay, we have completed date object, date module. The strf time method, the date time object as a method formatting date objects into the readable strings. The method is called str time and takes parameter format to specify the format of the return string. Okay, here we are. Okay, this is used for display the month. Okay, month is June. Okay. Okay, this is a date time is a module. We have imported this module with the help of import. Once we imported, we will get the access to that date time dot date time. For that method, we are giving the values 2028, 2018, 6 comma 1. Okay, from this we are getting some output that we are storing it in the x. This x we are doing x dot strftime of percentile b. It will return the month. Okay, so it is here. Okay, here. So print, yeah. So I kept one line. Okay, okay. So month is June. Down it is there. Okay, you can ignore above one. Okay, up to here we have completed. Math also we have completed. Regular expression we have completed. So regular expression is used for the validating the some of the email, some of the names, and like that. Some of the phone number validation. Wherever we are doing validations, we will do it in with the help of regular expression. Okay. So many are there. Like you can have a look over this. Okay. Split is there inside the regular expression. There is a split also is there. Okay. So next item is PIP. What is PIP? Package Manager for Python packages or modules if you like. What is a package? A package contains all the files you need for a module. Modules are Python code libraries you can include in your project. Check if PIP is installed. Okay. So I'm typing PIP version. Okay. Okay. It is telling unknown. Let us should we try with iPhone? Okay. iPhone version. Okay. It is 3.13. Can you guide me, sir? Hi. Please reply. Okay. Yes, yes. I sir, I'm currently studying inter second year. I want to start coding, but I want to know where to start. Can you guide me? Okay. You can start with Python. You can start it. So first one is start with Python. Second one is install the Python. Third one is do do all the do all the programs in Python. Fourth one, understand what you've done in three. Okay. Fifth one, W3 schools you can take. Okay, it's fine, I think. So I given you 5 points. Okay, copy these 5 points and you can reach out to me if any questions are there. Okay, so like I'm sharing my screen. Here up to here it's enough. Okay, this this classes you can come later. Okay, up to here you practice only once one. Okay, just to understand whatever are the things are there. Okay, so so because we should know how to write the program. That's it. Okay, there is no need of doing anything. This is also we have to keep remember. This is also same. Keep remember. Okay, this is also same. Keep remember. By seeing this line, you have to write another line. That is the concept. Okay, thank you. I hope I have answered you. I want to learn Java. Can you teach me Java? No, no, I don't know Java. Like, I'm not perfect in Java as of now. Thank you for commenting. So in the future, I will start Java as well. So as of now, I know Java. Java in the sense, like uh, up to servlets I know, and before that, normal core Java will be there. That is also I know. Thank you for asking. So I will suggest W3 schools for a learner. Okay, once you complete these all the things, let me know. I will go through all the things. Just you follow one of my these classes. You will come to know how to solve the errors or anything. Okay. So suppose I want to write this one. Okay. So if you are writing print and after that learning Python, okay, go to the home. Okay. So like this it is there. Okay. So it is throwing error itself here only. So we will come to know something wrong here. Okay. So this is compile time only we are getting. So here only whenever there is a red color, we will come to know okay here something is wrong. That is the major one here. Apart from that, nothing is there. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. So thanks. Java in future. Go. So so this is PIP is the package. Okay. Okay. So what they are doing? How to install one PIP? Okay. Here it is there. Okay. PIP install camel case. Come here. Go here. Do PIP install camel case. Okay. This installation is happening. Wait for some time. Okay. Until that, we'll copy the code. Camel case example dot py. Okay, still it is installing. Let us wait for some more time. It is successful install. Okay, to utilize one package, import camel case. Here only it is there. Okay, we have imported. After that, what we are doing? Mm, C equals to camel case dot case. Camel case they are doing. Okay, text equals to hello world. Text equals to hello world. After that, what they are doing? Print C dot text. No, text dot C dot hump. Okay. Yeah. They're C dot hump, and here they are passing the text. Okay. Let us see the output. It will become camel case. PIP camel case example dot py. Okay. So here what is telling it is unknown command. Okay, I'm using the wrong command. So I will correct my command. So we are not doing anything, just we are following the instructions. That's it. Hello world, it is there. Okay. So we have given in the small letters, but it given us camel case. Camel case is like first letter will be starting with H. Here also it is world also W is the this one. Okay. So let us see how other methods print C dot hump is there. After that, okay, I know only this one. Like let us see other one. Okay, this command is used for uninstallation. So if we want installation, we'll use it. If we want uninstallation, we'll go for uninstallation. Why we need to go for uninstallation is if it is not required, we'll go for uninstallation. One thing is it might occupy some memory, and we don't want all the modules. That is also one of the reason. So pip list command is used for the listing all the packages. Python list, not Python. It is pip. Okay, this many packages I have installed. That's why this many has got installed. Flask, right, and these all the things. Okay, beautiful soup for blinker, etc. Okay, okay. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Like, please like the stream, guys. Going to the next topic. So this is the command we have used. Okay, yeah. So one thing like Python, we are not doing anything. Okay, just we are using the code written by Python. Here, just we are converting our steps to program. Okay, suppose we need addition. What we do? Addition requires minimum two numbers, two numbers, 2 comma 4 values. Okay, so what we'll do? We'll calculate it. Okay, so the same thing I'm writing in the form of code. Okay, print colon uh, 2 we are passing plus 4 here. Okay, so it is giving some addition. Okay, okay, addition is okay. So come here, execute it. That's it. Okay, addition is 6. 2 plus 4 is 6. Nothing. We know what to do. That's it. And for doing that, what we are doing, we are writing some of the steps. That's it. Okay. So the writing program is very easy. We need to understand what we are going to do. Okay. Any questions? Would be easier to understand. Can you share your screen so that what you are explaining? Oh, sorry, I'm not sharing. Isn't it? Sorry, guys. Okay. Yeah. Thank you for Thanks for letting me know. Okay, we have completed up to here. These all we have completed. PIP is the package, package or module. We can like a try catch. So why are we using that try catch? Here in this Python, we are telling try and except. So try catch we used in C sharp, and some other places also we used try catch. But here, these people are telling try. The try block lets you test a block of code for errors. The except block lets you handle the error. The else block lets you execute code when there is no error. Finally, blocks let you execute the code regardless of the result of the try blocks. Okay. So usually, try we will use for doing the calculation. Except is used for the doing the handling. If any object is null, so what it should do, we have to fill it. The else block lets you to execute the code when there is no error. And finally block is used to execute the code regardless of the record. Try and except. Sometimes like finally we are using to destroy the objects, closing the connections like that, freeing the memory. Okay, so I came here like yeah, try example dot py. Okay, so here x is not defined. That's why it will go for an exception. That's why we'll print. It will get printed. This is the line. Okay, so come here. So clear Python try example dot py. Okay, so an exception occurred. Okay, so now what will happen? It will not go to the exception. It will print the Python class. Okay, so like this we have to write our code. So one thing is why we use try catches to not break the code. If any errors, we need to continue the execution. Handle exceptions in code. Okay, so these are all the things. These all we can avoid. Okay, so a good program will include all these points. Okay, it will not break the code, it will handle the errors, and it will continue the execution if any errors occur. Okay, this is completed. Try catch, try and expert is completed, not defined. I'm pasting it. Okay, so I'm trying this one. So it will print this variable x is not defined because it will go to into that execution. Okay, I changed the variable name. Okay, okay, variable is not defined. It can't. It got okay. So like this. So debugging. Let me try. If I am again the debugger. Okay, run. Start debugging. Let me see whether the debugger will come or not. Python debugger, Python file, run debug. Okay, so I'll teach how to debug in the next class. So come here. It's usually this morning time the stream is getting lagged. I'll try to overcome. So due to some bandwidth, the stream is getting lagged. Sorry for this inconvenience. Try print hello. In the next class, at least I'll go with a good uh, bandwidth at least. I'll try to connect with another internet. This is the example for this one. Try accept else. Okay. So I pasted improperly. That is the reason it got errors. Try hello. Something went wrong. Variable x is not there. Python case example dot py and last one we are going to execute it. So here the file is not there. That's why it will go to the uh, exception. Okay, here indentation is the issue. That is the reason. Okay, something went wrong in the opening the file. Okay, there is no file. That is the reason. Okay. Okay. Thank you guys for today. I'm going to conclude this session. I will see you in the next stream. So today few students has participated. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye everyone.